Carefree creation. Weighing less than 249 grams, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Seriously pro shots. Capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K 60 fps video and 48 megapixels photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery night and day. Perfect portraits in a tap. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Sweet airtime. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Fly with confidence. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. Create and share on the go. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features including FocusTrack, true vertical shooting, MasterShots, Timelapse, QuickTransfer, and more. Includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight. Top reviews from the United States. Let me start by saying I've had a bunch of toy drones that have all left me very frustrated. But this was a joy to fly from the very first try. It's very stable for its size, even if a breeze, and the gimbal makes the video even more stable. Rock solid. The controller is big and bright and the sticks are very comfortable to use. The buttons are well laid out too, both the ones on top and on back. The controller range seems very good and the video streaming from the drone is fantastic, no lag at all that I can detect. Over time I have gotten to know the features. Yes, you should really study the manual or you'll miss a lot of stuff, and I've tested the collision avoidance, quick shots, MasterShots, etc. All work as advertised. Oh, and I've had several people who have drones comment on how quiet it is. That's the first thing they say. I guess whatever they fly attracts a lot of attention, and this really doesn't. Do I wish it had side collision sensors? Sure. It is pretty pricey? With the nice controller and the Fly More package it's definitely a pretty penny. Would I buy it again? In a heartbeat.